just going to put the flour on. So yeah. Well, I just put the stick on. Now it's time to put it and this in here. So yeah, now I put it in here. Let's see them when they're mixed together. Wait, I haven't did it. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Toodles. Mia, Mia, on my hand. Who's the prettiest of them all? Nobody, I guessed. Let's do this again. Mia, Mia, on my hand. Who's the prettiest of them all? This girl! I can't believe it.